Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Mild conditions once again this morning as we've seen those unseasonably warm temperatures over the last few days. They're going to continue today as we'll see those highs in the mid to maybe even the upper 70s once we get into the afternoon today. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see a very weak frontal boundary that is pushing across the region this morning. We're going to see a little bit of an increase in cloudiness over the course of the next hour, give way to mostly sunny skies as we go through the mid and late morning hours, and then into the afternoon we'll continue to see mostly sunny skies as high pressure builds in from the west. Not expecting any kind of rainfall with this frontal boundary as it's already pushing through the region and off the coast this morning, and not expecting anything more than just the increase in clouds that we saw earlier this morning, and temperatures really won't drop off any at all from what we saw yesterday, as we'll see those highs once again in the mid 70s. Looking at a radar and satellite composite, you can see the front moving from the west, and with the increasing clouds from the west starting to dissipate a bit as this front very weak, and again not expecting much in the way of any impacts from this frontal boundary other than the increasing clouds that we saw earlier this morning. We saw a few sprinkles off to our west in the central portion of Virginia earlier this morning as well, but that is not going to make it into our region as we go throughout the day today. Looking at our forecast models and what we can expect over the next couple of days, you can see really no threat for precipitation as we go throughout the day today. As we get into Thursday, we'll start to see some upper level energy begin to move toward the east coast. Most of that looks like it will remain to our north as we go throughout the afternoon hours tomorrow, but can't rule out a scattered rain shower or two during the afternoon as that impulse moves off the coast. We are expecting most of the activity to stay away and not really impact our region until Friday, especially late Friday night when the frontal boundary begins to make its way a little closer. You can see here by Friday afternoon showers and thunderstorms well out into the western portion of the state, so it does look like it'll be late in the day on Friday before we see that line of showers and potential thunderstorms move through our region. But for the next couple of days, expecting pretty tranquil conditions. Currently out there, very nice conditions with just a few clouds at 8,000 feet, a scattered deck at 17,000 feet, and a broken deck of clouds at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities, and winds out of a westerly direction at 5 knots, temperature at 70 degrees. Taking a look here at our next 24 hours, we're going to see temperatures again moving to the upper 70s once again for today, looking for a high of 77 degrees, already 70 degrees out there. Our normal temperature for this time of year is 66 degrees for our daytime high, so again another day where we see those temperatures about 10 degrees above normal, and we're going to continue to see mild conditions overnight. There's mostly cloudy skies and a low temperature of 55 degrees expected. As you can see, we've got a green chart with no hazardous weather expected over the course of the next 24 hours. Winds should be fairly light as well. Looking at the winds increasing out of the northwest up to around 8 to 13 knots during the afternoon, but during the morning hours should see winds remain under about 12 knots with a west and northwest component. Overnight tonight, winds will die off around sunset out of the north at 4 to 8 knots, and then after midnight tonight, expecting easterly winds at 3 to 6 knots, becoming easterly at 5 to 10 knots by early tomorrow morning. For Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. We'll see some peaks of sunshine from time to time, but again, we will have the slight chance of a few scattered showers, looking at about a 30% chance of some rain shower activity during the day on Thursday. And then for Thursday night, mostly cloudy skies, another chance of some scattered showers as we do see a couple of weak upper level impulses moving through the region during that period of time. But the best chance for precipitation looks like it will be late in the day on Friday as the cold front moves across the region and potentially gives us a round of showers and thunderstorms late in the evening on Friday. We'll see a high of 73 on Friday, and it will not be an all-day rain event by any means for Friday. Looks like most of that scattered shower and thunderstorm activity will be associated with the front as it moves through late in the evening. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.